are quiet in old downtown. The heat of the night is settling down. Put up the chairs, sweep the floors, and Saturday night meets Sunday morning. Somebody's drinking morning coffee, somebody's sipping straight Jim Beam, and the only time when they're both pouring, Saturday night meets Sunday morning. Just look around, see it now. God bless this American town. Firing